Hey guys, this is Monty with Kaizink. Wanted to give you guys an improvement video slash process video for our warboard and tracking jobs in the darkroom. So here we are in Corebridge where we have most of our orders. We also have Inksoft, but we want to add all new jobs to our warboard in the darkroom, which we used to use a dry erase board, but that board fills up pretty quickly. So we have a new app, which is Trello, which is a free, production schedule that I'm using, and we're utilizing our mock-ups that design gives us. So first things first, we are here. We're on Corebridge, and as I plan my day out in the darkroom, I am looking for new jobs, and I can tell that there's the job right here. We have this Collins Comfort job 16479. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the farm, and I'm going to go to Corebridge orders here, and I'm going to search that job 16479. And what I'm going to do now is it's going to pull this job up. I'm going to double click on that. I'm going to go to production files, and right here design gives us a PNG with that proof. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that, and then I'm going to go into our darkroom here, and where it says add card, I'm just going to right click and I'm going to paste it, or control V to paste, and it's going to add that job right there into the darkroom. And so now that job is easy to follow. I can see all of the proofs. I can see how many garments it is. And then another last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the due date for that job. So I'm just going to go back into Corebridge, and I'll see that job at due on the 13th, and I'm just going to assign that due date, and now we will be able to follow that job, and we can even add the garment count and the impressions that it will give us. Thanks for watching.